Google just released a brand new update inside of Gemini called Gems. It's the perfect AI assistant. Let me show you how it works. Go to Gemini, click on this little diamond that says Gem Manager. As soon as you do, you're going to have pre-made gems by Google right over here, which are the brainstormer to help you brainstorm ideas. We have the career guide to help you level up your career. We have the coding partner to help you build better websites. We have the learning coach, and we have the writing editor. So I'm going to show you how they work by starting with the learning code. So I'm going to go ahead and ask this gem to help me understand the basic things that I need to know to learn French in 30 days. So right here is giving me already the learning plan, what I need to know, all the basic steps that I need to take in order to make the best out of it. Remember, any gem that you're using, you always have to be very specific with what you want. Now let's go ahead and create our own gem. You're going to go ahead and click on New Gem. As soon as you do, you're going to title it, and I title it Content Strategist. Then I'm going to give specific instructions of what I want this gem, which is the AI assistant, to do for me. Be very specific with the instructions. After that's done, you can click Save right here. After you do, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Content Strategist, which is the one that I created, and I'm going to ask to please help me create 7 posts with the instructions they already offered. So as you can see, it's pretty fast. It creates the posts, and that's it. That's all that you need to do to use gems and to create your own gem. Now, if you also can pin them on the top, you can rename them if that's what you want to. You can even share it, save it, add it to your Google Docs. This is the great thing of working with Gemini because it's completely connected to Google and it makes it more simple. That's what I prefer, Gemini Advanced instead of ChatGPT. So basically that's it. This is pretty cool. This is a new update and I haven't seen it before in any of the AI assistants that exist all over the internet. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. All the best.